Everybody, I hope it's a beautiful day wherever you're at. Fall's around the corner and I can't wait. And we are going to be playing out of the Guitar Method Rhythm Book. Now, you don't have to have this book in order to do this lesson. We are just going to be working on E, A, and D chords. And so if you've got your chord charts from wherever online, or you have an old guitar chord book, or you have just been able to download some, wherever you've gotten your chord charts from, you don't have to have this particular book in order to learn how to play your chords. So our last video, I did it, we did the chord playing and the switching at 50 beats per minute. So right now I'm going to bump it up to 60, and it's a little faster. Not much, but it's enough to make a difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, just 10 beats a minute faster. So we're going to do our E, A, and D chords. So let's start with our E chord first. That's one of my favorite chords on the guitar. I love the sound of it, and it's so easy to play. So all 6 strings. Ready? 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, D. Now E. Back to A. Now D. Now E. Now A. D. Now E. Now one strum A. Okay, so how did you do with that one? We'll do it again, and we will do it in a little different chord pattern, just like we did before, where we're going to go back and forth between 2 chords for a little bit to get our switching. Okay, here's our beat. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, start on A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, E. 5, 6, 7, back to A. Back to E. All 6 strings. Now D. Now A. Okay, so how did you do with that? So it's a little bit quicker than the last one. It's a little bit slower than the very first one that I put up online. So you're in the middle. You're almost to Goldilocks. So we will see you on the next video. And I'm going to be redoing some of the videos that I did from the supplement book. It was requested that I do them again, but do them in a slower pace. Hey, I want to tell you, I have a new channel on YouTube. It's called Seedling Stories, and I'm very proud of it. It hasn't been going for very long, and I started writing music about 10 years ago, and so I decided to start putting new music out there online for you guys to enjoy. And a lot of the music is from the heart. It's Christian music. And then I've got songs called Your Story, Your Song. They're songs that I've written for people that I know. And also there's one that I just did called The Men in Blue. And it's from a story that I saw on a newscast about two officers and a person along the road. And so I've just got all sorts of videos on there, and I have one long play video. It's about 45 minutes, and it's on the story of Paul and Silas. So if you are not familiar with the story of Paul and Silas, you may want to watch it. Number one, just for the music. There is so much music in there and so many different styles of music. And if you are familiar with the story of Paul and Silas, I'd be interested if you watch it, did you learn anything new? And because that's what I've been hearing from people. It's like, I didn't know those things happened in the story. And even when I wrote it, I did a deep dive into the story of Paul and Silas. And I learned so much because there were things that happened in their story that I thought happened in other stories. So it was great to put them all together and write so many pieces of music and make a little musical out of it. So if you watch that, please comment and let me know what you think. But it's called Seedling Stories. And I hope you go over there and visit it and subscribe. I post there regularly. So I'll catch you next on our supplement video. We're going to go over the note by note instructions and songs. See you there.